This is the mortgage housing update as of December 8th, 2025, and let's go through the interest rates. So interest rates are hovering around 6.27. We're starting Monday with 6.27 according to Mortgage News Daily. This is for your 30-year conforming conventional loans versus your FHA 5.89, okay? And Freddie Mac is very similar, 6.26 as of last week. Okay, Fed is meeting this week. So their meeting starts tomorrow, but they will announce if they're doing any rate cuts on Wednesday around 2 p.m. So keep an eye on that, okay? And if you're thinking about purchasing a property in East Meadow is definitely a strong seller's market. That means there's not enough supplies there and the prices are usually on the higher end. So if you bought a property in East Meadow, you can rest assured that your home prices will increase each year. If you go back 5 years, you can see that the rate of appreciation was over 7%, right? A lot above than the national average. And then your 10-year 4.8 and last 63 years 4.3. So each year, if you bought a house for $838,000 in 5 years, it may go up to over $1 million. Every property is different, but overall, East Meadow is definitely a strong market. How many people say in December is a slow market? But according to HousingWire here, December housing demand is nearly 3-year high. Okay, so there are people still purchasing property in this high interest rate, right? Some people want to wait until 4%, 5%. That's not happening anytime soon. But if you were to purchase today, you should be able to refinance and build some equity in the next few years. Okay. When it comes to loans, there are many different loan programs, but if you're a first-time home buyer, second-time home buyer, you always want to see what your options are with conventional loan. Conventional, what I love about this is your PMI, your mortgage insurance removes after you hit 20% equity, right? With FHA, that is not the case. But for this, you do need 620 credit scores, 5% down payment. Many people say we need 20%, but look at the down payment. If you're going to live in that property and it's one unit, you just need 5%. If you're buying 2 units and you're going to live in one of them and rent out the other, then you need 15%, okay? If you're going to purchase this for investment, you're not going to live there. Even if it's 1 unit, then you need 20%. But if you're going to buy 2 units for investment, then you need 25%. If you're just starting out buying 1 unit, then you just need 5% here, okay? And one of the comments that we received from TikTok was that, hey, give me a mortgage calculator based on $450,000 scenarios, okay? So if you were to put down 20% and you're buying a house for $450,000 with today's rates with $5,000 property taxes and $1,200 home insurance, then your mortgage payment is going to be around $3,607. If you were to put down 10% instead of 20%, and because you're putting less than 20%, you have to pay PMI, then, okay, then with PMI, then your payment is going to be $4,293, okay? We can run your scenario. If you have any questions, please get in touch.